Wodi ya Bukimonge Amos Onderi olire irayo gukia kwikirania obwagachi bwebirasi bya ECDE emerongevere nekemo kwikirania eganga yayo kweneke bunakera eskuru nebwate ekirasi gya ECD ime ya Bukimonge okwana asa matanga yamo kurasinse mecho Onderi niga mentire goteba buna ewodi teyo yagachire ebirasi unakolire ime county engima ya Kisii korengana nere ebya taragacha abanyakonda bacobeke emirobelyo yokobyagacha
na teba ende tirangero lega esenga kyubura ibwana no mu MCU no bantu. I have made a deliberate effort. Now out of all the 21 primary schools Bwato Bukimonge chose P nkwagacha inde class ya ECD na ward teyo kagareta se county ngiba yagusonge kwagachire ward ye school chose ECD class. I made a deliberate effort. I am doing ECD classes in all the schools, teacher primary. Iga keole na titanga baitangia 10,000 liters na chankagachi yabana by ECD kwa jatole get contractor raga sendega to school isato so get a contractor ya take off. We have terminated, we have given new contractors. So keole uraba contractor liyabu uraba contractor motomo uraba contractor kiru uraba contractor tongeri ngagirete mu contractor yakore waka plaster maiga kiairire getenga twakorire lirire twakorire kenyoro twakorire kebezese the contractor be on site all the schools and the a contractor yakore wake plaster.